Hello students, welcome to the third session of input output functions and control structures. In previous sessions we have studied formatted input, that is scanf function, and formatted output function, that is printf statement. In this session we will study unformatted input and output functions. So let's start with this session. So the first one is reading a character. To read a single character, getChar function is used. So the syntax for this function is variable equal to getChar and then opening and closing bracket and finally semicolon. So here variable name can be any valid variable name where you want to store the value which is inputted, and getCharacter takes the single character from the keyboard and that value will be stored in variable name. So whatever the variable name, the value will be stored on that particular variable. For example, suppose the variable name is name, which is of type character. So by using getChar we can input the single character. So the statement will be name, that is variable name, then equal to and getChar function, and at the end semicolon. Next function is writing a single character. So to write a single character, putChar function is used, and the syntax for that is putChar and then in opening and closing bracket variable name and then semicolon. So here putChar is the function and then variable name is any valid variable name whose value you want to display on the screen. That variable name we have to write in function. For example, name, then the value of name is m, and then if you want to display the value of name, then the statement will be putChar and in bracket variable name, that is name. So after executing putChar in bracket name and then semicolon, it will give, or you can say it will print the m which is stored in name. So basically reading a character, that is getChar function, is work similar to scanf function, and same as putChar, it works similar to the printf statement. Next, reading a line. So suppose if you don't want to read a single character, instead of single character you want multiple characters, or you can say a character of line, then to read a line till new line character, gets function is used. So the syntax for gets is gets and then variable name and semicolon. So here gets is the function and then variable name is any valid variable name where you want to store the value which is inputted from the keyboard. For example, character and the variable name is name, and then the statement is gets name. So whatever you enter on the keyboard, it will be get stored in name. Next, similar function, writing a line. To write a line till new line character, puts function is used, and the syntax is puts and then in bracket variable name. So here also variable name is valid variable name which you want to display the value of that variable name on the screen. For example, if you have stored value Sachin Tendulkar in the name variable, then if you want to print that, then use the puts function and in bracket variable name, that is name, and it will display that output. So that's it for today's session. In next session we will study if statement.